Hello, it's Mama Melissa back again, and today we're going to be doing another Christmas in July craft. So I want to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you a little bit about what we're doing. Blank canvas, but we're not going to see this. I couldn't get this off because I don't have no sandpaper right now, but when I put this piece of paper on there with Mod Podge, you're not going to be able to make it out anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and start Mod Podging my paper on. But these are part of the what's it called? A Dollar Tree set. So it had the snowman, this, and then it had a little stand for them to sit in to make it a 3D picture. But I was like, I don't want to do that. Let me just try something differently. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge. Well, first I need to trim this piece of paper on, I guess. So I'm going to make sure to create them lines. So I'm going to crease these just tight enough to where I can make out where to cut it. So it's pretty much at that line up there. That way I'm not having to sand down a little bit later. So since I already got the creases in that paper cut along that line, I should be able to make that out in just a second. Now, since that paper is going to be on there, I am going to have these edges still showing. So I'm going to go ahead and paint them white real quick. That way we're not seeing them. Because I don't want to get that white piece of paper on my, white paint on my piece of paper, even though it is white. Just to give it a nice finish on there. So I recently done some other videos that you can find in the blog, on our Pinterest page, and on our Facebook page and other social medias, to where you can go on there and go look at other DIY projects that we have done. If you're interested in any projects that you would like to see more versions of, just let us know. We'll be happy to show you some of them. Just clear that out. And I'll have to add something on the back of this. That way it doesn't have that picture on there, because I had Mod Podged a picture and it actually came out really nice on here. But since I want to try to sell this piece or put it in like a tier tray, then I'm going to have to cover it up. But I'm going to try my best to see if I can sand it off once I get this project done, because if somebody ever wants to redo something on there, they're not having to worry about a photo. Okay, so we're almost done here. Once this dries, I'm going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge on there and cut that piece of paper out to give it a nice finish. This might take a little bit more coating afterwards, but we'll see. Just so we don't make out the bare wood. We are going to be having a Christmas in July special for Whatnot. That's where we do live auctions. So I'm going to be creating the... Okay, I don't know where it disconnected at. But I got the sides of the thing painted. I was talking about the Christmas in July. July show that we have on Whatnot. And that's where all the crafts that I've already made, but I have done like snowflakes, some present sets. I will have some reindeers that you can assemble and put on like shelves or tabletops. That'll be pretty to accent. Alright, that's a lot better. Alright, so let's get the Mod Podge open. Like I said, you're not going to see this behind there. So it's going to... Okay. Goes back up. Uh-oh. Got a little too much on that one. So recently today, I had went on and done a, Alright, so on here, I already Mod Podged this on here. I'm going to go ahead and place my piece of paper on here on a wooden surface. It was working really good early. I wasn't having no trouble with him. We're going to flatten that piece. Make sure all them edges are nice and good. Oh, I need to get my hot glue gun going. So there's this. It has a, it's a white background. It has kind of like some wood grains going throughout it on here. And we're going to lay on top the snowman and the trees. Let me get the hot glue gun. Let me Mod Podge this real quick while that's waiting. And I'll show you something else. Another project that I'm going to be currently working on soon. Alright, so Mod Podge all these. This will make sure that it doesn't come up as easy. Okay. Where'd you go? And kind of toughen it up and give a good coat on it. But this would be cute to put on like a tier tray. Because it's not going to be heavy. I mean, you can probably put a hanger on it and hang it somewhere. But that's your option. But this piece will be live for auction next week on Whatnot app. There's nothing wrong with doing a little early Christmas shopping. That way you spend less later during the year. Of course, when money gets a lot tighter. Alright, we're almost done. If you like seeing projects like these, just let us know in the comments what you're more interested in. What's your favorite holiday? We like to know what you are more into. Okay. So I think that gave it a good coat. It's going to dry, so let me go get the hot glue gun and it can start drying. Alright, so I'm going to put these glue dots on my snowman. I forgot about this. I was planning in advance of when I wanted to do this project, and it forgot. There's the birdie. Let's see. Nice. Hopefully it goes on like I want. Don't fall! Bonita! Oh. Nice. Now, I'll take my snowman. I'll take his little paper towels. And oh, this is going to be so pretty. And voila. See how that came out? It came out super cute. Super, super, super cute. So all this was painted using Dollar Tree stuff. It makes a cute little piece, and just Mod Podge some piece of paper on. And hot glue the trees with the snow, and then the snowman, and all of that was hand painted. Alright. I'm sorry I had to wait too long for the hot glue, but it was good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is Mama Melissa. Until the next time you see crafting, we'll see y'all next time. Alright. Bye-bye.